Hello everyone, I, Dr. Vipul Pratap, Faculty of BGMC Department of Techno Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Young Person Harmful Publication Act 1956. An act to prevent the dissemination of certain publication harmful to young person. Harmful publication means any book, magazine, publication, newspaper or other publication, leaflets which consist of stories told with the aid of picture or without the aid of picture or wholly in pictures, being stories portraying wholly or mainly. First, the commission of offence. Second, the act of violence or cruelty. Third, incidents of a repulsive or horrible nature in such a way that the publication as a whole would tend to corrupt a young person into whose hands it might fall, whether by inciting or encourage him to commit offences or act of violence or whatsoever. A young person is a person who is under the age of 20 years. Provision of this act. Section 3/1. If a person sell, lets to hire, distribute, publicize, exhibits or in any manner put into circulation any harmful publication for the purpose of sale, hire, distribution, public exhibition or circulation, print, make or produce, or has in his possession any harmful, make known by any means whatsoever that any harmful publication can be procured from or through any person, he shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to 6 months or with fine or with both. The state government may, if it is of opinion after consultation with the principal law officer of the state, whether called the advocate general or by any other name, declare by order notified in the official gazette that every such publication shall be forfeited to the government and every such notification shall state the ground for the order. Any police officer or any other officer empowered in this behalf by the state government may seize any harmful publication. Any magistrate issue warrant below the rank of sub-inspector to enter and search any place where any stock of harmful publication may be or may be reasonably suspected to be, and such police officer may seize any publication found in such place if in his opinion it is harmful publication. Any publication seized shall be produced as soon as it may be before a magistrate and before the court which issued the magistrate or court such publication is harmful publication. The magistrate or court may issue it to be destroyed or disposed if they are in opinion that such publication is harmful. So I hope you understand the topic on Young Person Harmful Publication Act. Thank you.